Hey guys, it's Miss Keegan, and I'm going to go ahead and show you, as promised, how to upload a Google Slides and how to submit the work on Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this for you, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we're back at our student homepage, the main one, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Lessons. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the Counting Monkeys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to have a link right here. So you can either do it as a hard copy, which it has the directions, cut, count, and write the number of monkeys jumping on the bed, or you can go ahead and click here, and it will take you to the Google Slides. Now it's going to tell you to make a copy, so go ahead and click on Make a Copy. So we'll just give it a minute to load. So here you go. So once you're on Google Slides, it's pretty self-explanatory. All you need to do is type name here. So if you go ahead and do this, you can go ahead and delete so the kiddos can type their name, or you can help them type their name. You might want to have them type it so that way they can learn their letters to their name and make sure it's in the right order. So I'm going to go ahead and write Miss Keegan. So I'm just going to go ahead and type Miss Keegan. Now over here on the side, you notice that there are some numbers. So what you're going to do is the kiddos need to do this, just so you know. So there's 1. So they need to find there's 1 monkey. So click on 1 and go ahead and drag it to the 1. All right, and then go ahead and click the next monkey and try to find it. And if the kiddos get it wrong, don't worry about it. Just let them get it wrong, because that means that I know where we can work and what we need to do. But if they get it all right, that's fantastic. So don't worry about it. So just go ahead and let them try their best. Oops, sorry. So it's click and drag on everything. So just go ahead and click and drag on all the numbers. So once they have the worksheet complete, or they did it on their thing, if they did it as a hard copy, go ahead and take a quick picture of it with your cell phone. It's pretty easy. Then what you're going to do is, if you're on the Google Slides, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to File, and then you're going to go ahead and go to Download, and you can download it as a PDF document. So if you download it as a PDF document, it'll save down here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the file, so that way I can save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my Save button. And you can save it as a copy. I'm going to put Miss Keegan, I'm going to put my name first on it, so that way I can save it. And I'm going to make sure that I save it to my desktop so it's quick and easy to get to. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the Save button. So now it saved my PDF file of what I did. So that way, this is what I will see. When you guys submit your form, this is what I will see. So you can do it just like that. Okay? Another cool thing is about a PDF file is if I send one to you and you want to do the worksheet as a PDF file, you can hit this Draw button right here, and you can actually write on your paper. So isn't that pretty cool? So you can actually write on it. So if you decided to save it as a PDF just like this, you can have the kids write it with the pencil and the marker. You can change it, all the different colors and everything. So if you did it like that and you wrote on the PDF, go ahead and resave the PDF, so that way you don't lose all that stuff. So I just hit the Save button again. And yes, I want to replace it, and it'll save my little doodle up on top. So after you have that saved and you did it this way, you can go back to your Submit Assignment right here. You click on this button, and then you're going to click on Submit that. So after you do that, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see Upload File or Website. Okay, so on your upload file, I'm going to go ahead and choose File. So I'm going to choose the file, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on my desktop, and then I'm going to find Miss Keegan Math Point 1. Here you go, the little monkeys. And then I'm going to click on Open. So you can submit it that way, and then when you have it submitted, once you have that file chosen, you can add another file if you want to, or you can hit, okay, you can do that, and then you're going to hit Submit your assignment, and then they'll get, yay, it's submitted. So it's actually going to be submitted to me. So it even tells you here on the side that it says submitted to me. So, and you'll be able to see your grades and things like that once everything is done. Another way to submit this assignment, I'm just going to go ahead and hit resubmit, is if you do it by the URL right here. If you click on this button here, and then you go back up to your Google slide of your copy of what you have right here. So you're going to go ahead and go up to this hyperlink up on top right here. And then you're going to hit Control-C, which copies it. Then you're going to go back to your Canvas page, and down here in this box right here where it says URL, you're going to hit Control-V, which will give you everything. All you have to do is hit Assignment, and it will upload your assignment by the link. So that's two ways that you can do it. Another way is, like I said, is if you did it on the hard copy, take a picture and then upload your picture. So if I hit resubmit, just so you can see, there's you are still going to do right here with upload file, and you're still going to choose your file, and you can choose a picture of whatever. If you have a picture of it, like it says PDF, just go ahead and click on that and then resubmit. So there's 3 different ways that you can do it, and all the directions are right here as well on the assignment. So I hope this helps you guys on how to upload and submit a lesson or an activity that I ask you to do. So once you're all done with that, you can go back to your home button, and then it says leave this page. Yep, you can go ahead and leave it. It'll be all right. Not a big deal. So as long as it says submitted on the side, you have submitted your work. So that is how you submit a lesson into Canvas. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact me and let me know. But also this little button right here will have this video as well, so you can watch the video. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helped.